Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Wealthsimple, a popular investing platform, and whether or not you can use it if you're not a Canadian resident. I know, you're probably thinking, why would I want to use a Canadian investing platform if I'm not Canadian? Well, there are actually a few good reasons. First, Wealthsimple is a really user-friendly platform, making it easy for even beginners to get started investing. Second, they offer a wide range of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. And finally, Wealthsimple has a great reputation for being a safe and secure platform. So, can you use Wealthsimple if you're not Canadian? The answer is yes and no. Wealthsimple is only available to residents of Canada, but there are a few ways to get around this restriction. One option is to use a VPN. A VPN allows you to connect to a server in Canada, which will make it appear as though you are accessing the internet from Canada. This will allow you to create a Wealthsimple account and start investing. Another option is to use a proxy server. A proxy server works in a similar way to a VPN, but it is not as secure. Finally, you could ask a friend or family member in Canada to open a Wealthsimple account for you. However, this is not a recommended option, as it could lead to security issues. If you're still interested in using Wealthsimple, I recommend doing some research on the different options available to you. You can also contact Wealthsimple directly for more information. So, there you have it. Whether or not you can use Wealthsimple if you're not Canadian depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a user-friendly and affordable investing platform, Wealthsimple is a great option, but you'll need to find a way to get around the residency restriction. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy investing.